Hi, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us today. Ciao, benvenuto, my amicis, which means my friends. Today we're gonna do something special. We're gonna do a margherita, yeah. Margherita pizza, that is. That's right, it's so simple, you're gonna love this. You know, when I do pizza, I like to put all kinds of stuff on there. My favorite actually is mushrooms, sausage, an onion, and whatever, artichokes and down the road. But margherita pizza is just so simple. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. Now, if you go ahead and you're gonna make the dough, that's another thing. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get the dough at the store, like I did. And what I did was I got these little thin crusts that were pre-baked, okay? They're really neat, but you still gotta bake it, of course. And what I want you to do is follow these easy instructions right here, and I think you're gonna have a good time. Today, we're gonna use some pasta de pomodoro, which means paste of tomato. What we're gonna do here is put some spices in the pasta de pomodoro, and that's what I have right here, the paste of tomato. That's what that is. And what's in here is thyme, basil, oregano, rosemary, and sage. That's what's in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it down here, and I'm gonna put this in here like this. Then I have a little bit of agua. Agua, that's a little Spanish there for you, for water. And it's just like a little third of a cup of a 6-ounce tomato paste can. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. There we go. Oh, that's nicely mixed up like that. I did add a little bit of sugar in. You don't have to, I do. Okay, so what goes on a margherita pizza is just very simple. A little bit of mozzarella right here. And then we have a little bit of salt and pepper. Then I have some garlic, some aglio. In Italian, it's aglio. And then we'll show you how we're gonna use that, okay? Then we have some mozzarella balls. Oh, look at those things, so marron, these are good. By the way, I like to use a little salt on these mozzarella balls because they can use a little bit of kick in the end. A little bit of olive oil, some virgin olive oil that is. And then this is what my daughter gave me right here. This is some sweet basil. In Italian, it's called basilico. And she gave me this nice cup, and I wanted to go ahead and put this and plant this fresh basil. And I think you're gonna like this. We'll put that on at the end. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna use a little bit of virgin olive oil. We're gonna put it on top like this. Watch this. Just a little bit of drizzle, just like this. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just do this, simply like this, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and get some garlic. Look at that. Now you don't have to use the garlic, but you can, okay? Then I just put a little bit like this, like that, okay? And then, whoa, this is gonna be good, baby. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. Here we go. Ready? Then mix it all up like this. There we go. Yeah. How's that look? I love garlic. Like I say, you don't have to use garlic if you don't want to, but I just love it. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and put on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and put the tomato paste that we mixed up, okay? Here we go. We put that down like so. And then, as you see, this tomato paste is a little thicker, okay? When you use shells that are pre-made, I like to put down a thicker sauce on top because then it doesn't soak through so much. You know what I mean? And you don't want it to soak through. Of course, I got quite a bit on here, but it looks delicious. Doesn't it look good? Okay, that's how easy this margherita pizza is. Now we'll do a little fancy little thing like this. Make it look a little pretty. There you go. How you like that? Then we're gonna go ahead and use some mozzarella right here. There's the mozzarella. It goes down just like so. Goes all the way around. Can you see that? There you go. And put it all around. Now, I know I got the mozzarella balls, but I also wanted to spread this. Now, after I spread the shredded mozzarella, the next thing that goes on are the pomodoro. Yes, sliced tomatoes, which I love. That's right. Now we have, look how beautiful they look. Then you put them all around, just like so. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. These are the pomodoros. Look at these pomodoros. And you can sing while you do the pomodoros. Oh, yes. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that looks. Look how gorgeous. Boy, huh? And then we got the little small ones here, these little cherry ones. I love these things. They're supposed to go on the pizza. What am I doing? Anyway, we'll put them down like this, like that. Put them around like that. It's kind of cute. You know what I mean? I think that's enough right there. Then after that, I'm going to use the mozzarella balls. Here they are. This is beautiful. Mozzarella go all the way around, just like so. And when these things melt, oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Look at that. All around, all around. That's it. Then what we're going to do with this pizza is we're going to go ahead and stick it in the old oven. Right now, we're going to be doing that. But what I'm going to tell you something first is I got this pan that I use. See the pan I use? It is a pizza pan. Okay, that's going to go in the oven at 450 degrees. Now, a normal pizza oven in an establishment is probably 600 to 900, or a little bit less than that. But you know, this is really hot. So I like to get the home oven around 450, and I'll go ahead and bake this for 8 to 12 minutes, desired by you, whatever you want to do with that. And then after that, I hit the broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes. And you got to watch out when you hit the broiler because, well, you can really burn it, but it really pounces down on the top. Now, the reason that I do that is because it's going to go after that on my handy dandy pan that's going to go on the stove top. And you say, well, why the heck are you doing that? Well, it's because I'm not using a pizza stone. I'm going to use the regular pizza pan like this. And the bottom, I like my pizza crisp, okay? I'll tell you, whenever I go get a pizza at a pizza joint, or my favorite one, what I do is sometimes I come home and I put it on top of the pizza pan, or this pan right here, and I go ahead and I heat it up even more to get it crispy. I like mine crispy. Hope you do too. It's the best. Ah, doesn't that look bella? Ah, time for the oven. All right, ready to go in the oven, just like I said, and at 450, 8 to 12 minutes. You be the judge on how long you want to cook it. Then you hit the broiler, 2 to 3 minutes. Be careful on that broiler, it can burn. I did put a little bit of dried basil on top. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm gonna come right to you. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Well, you're gonna love it afterwards. Don't go nowhere, here we go. Bon appetit, almost. All right, out of the oven, finished up with the broiler. Now I'm gonna go on the stovetop and get the browning on the bottom to make it crispier. Come on. Just like so. Make sure your pan is on. And let her go. All right, a little bit of virgin olive oil on top, just a touch, just like this, watch. Just a little drizzle, just like that. That's it, just a very little bit. And then what I go ahead and I do is a little bit of salt and pepper that I have mixed together. And all I do is just sprinkle a little bit on top, just like so, because that really helps the flavors of the matzo balls. And then I go ahead and get the buzzity go that I picked fresh from my plant that my daughter Natalie gave me in a cup. And I'll go ahead and I put this on top just like so. Look how gorgeous that looks. You can't go wrong here, man. Look at how beautiful this looks. Look at that. There we go. It's starting to come alive. Hey, let's go look at that crust and see how crispy it's getting. Can you see under there? Look at that. Whoop. Not quite. Just a little bit longer. There we go. Okay, I think it's ready now. Let's go take one more look and then we'll get it out and we'll put it on this here pan I got. Take a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's time. Here we go. We slide it right on just like so. Look at that. Let's go ahead and let it cool down just for a second. All right, it's time to cut this baby. And let's see if we can hear the crunch. Here we go. Woo! Man. Here we go. Oh, look at that, huh? Look at the bottom. Can you see the bottom? Look at how firm this is. It's nice and crunchy. Let's just go ahead and take a bite. Let me see. Whoa. It's hot, baby. Margherita pizza. I love it. Vito's Italian Cucina. Don't forget to subscribe. YouTube.com/Veets. Ring that bell. Yeah, that one. Arrivederci. Thanks for coming by. Go ahead and make your margherita pizza and enjoy it and live life. Abundanza. Ciao for now. Oh my God, that was hot.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance, baby. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby.